Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today it is not a video of mathematics class. It is a video for how to upload assignments or homework in Google Classroom. First I will show you how to upload homework from phone. So first of all, do the homework and take a picture of that. Now open Google Classroom. When you open Google Classroom, you will get a window like this. Click over there. Now another window will open like this. There will be at the bottom of the screen three options: stream, classwork, people. We can choose classwork. There will be uploaded different subjects, different assignments of different subjects. Here we can choose which subjects you needed. So I am choosing here mathematics. When I click mathematics, there will be another window open, mathematics worksheet. So click over there. So at the bottom of the screen, there will be add attachment. So click add attachment. So you will get different options, drive, link, file, like this. So choose file. So it will go through the gallery. There you can find out where is the assignment you had already taken. So here is my assignment. So I am clicking that. So waiting for it is attaching. So it is attached down. Then if there is only one assignment, you can go through with that. I have one more paper, so I have to upload that too. So for that, just scroll upwards. So you will get a window like this. Again we can add attachment. Add attachment. So again you will get drive, link, file, like this. So I am choosing file once again and I am searching where is my second paper. So here I am getting my second paper. Choose that. Waiting for attaching. So my two papers are here now. Now we can use the button hand in. Hand in I am going to press. So when I am pressing hand in, there will be another window will open, hand in your work. So again I am going to press hand in. So it is waiting. Yeah. Now it is correct. There will be a message you will get, work submitted at the bottom. That means it is uploaded. Then you can go back to your own screen. Now I will show you how to upload homework from computer. So first of all, click Google Classroom. When you click Google Classroom, you will get a window like this. So click over there. Now another window open. There will be three options on top: stream, classwork and people. So choose classwork. So there will be assignments from different subjects. I am choosing now general science. Click once again here. So there will be another window open at the right of the screen. There is add or create. So click add or create. There will be another options, Google Drive, link, file. So file. When you click file, there will be another window. Choose upload from there, and from upload, browse. So another window will open like this. My file I saved on the desktop. So click desktop and write the file name. File name I saved worksheet and answer 1. So click worksheet answer 1. Click open. Now it is attaching. It is attached here. Then I have one more page to upload. So add or create once again. Click file once again. Upload and browse. Again the previous window open. Here I'm going to write my worksheet file name, worksheet answer 2. Then open. Now it is attaching. Here Now we got an option turn in. If there is more worksheet to upload, add or create, you can click once again. My worksheet's over, so I am going to click turn in. Another window open. Here once again turn in. Now it is submitted. Then we can go back to our home. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.